How to list NFT on Binance NFT Marketplace. When you hear a 10-year-old is making $1 million, your mind hardly goes to a lemonade stand.
I got $52.
$52!
You immediately notice that you might miss out on something big. What I'm talking about are NFTs. Twitter's founder Jack Dorsey auctioned off his first tweet for $2.9 million. The new cat meme sold for $600,000. This is getting crazier every single day. I'm sure you might have heard about NFTs, but the point you need to pay the most attention to is that these unique digital assets have gone from being a fringe use cases on the Bitcoin blockchain to capturing mass markets, with their sales soaring 20-fold within a year, from $30.7 million in the first half of 2020 to $2.5 billion in the first half of this year. It won't be wrong to say that they have come a long way. My name is Karl Sorensen, and in this video I decided to show you how to list and sell NFTs on the NFT Marketplace on Binance so that you can sell them for huge profits. I spent many hours on research to come up with something super valuable for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to make sure that you see all my latest video that will be super valuable for you. Also, if you have any questions along this video about this topic, make sure to comment them in the YouTube comment section below this video to get them answered. Last but not least, check the YouTube description box below this video because I have a course for you where you will figure out how to flip NFTs, free and rare NFTs for thousands of dollars. Just to clarify, this video doesn't include any financial advice.
Not financial advice.
With that being said, let's get started. What is the Binance NFT Marketplace? The Binance NFT Marketplace is a platform for trading a variety of digital artworks and collectibles. The Binance NFT Marketplace provides high liquidity for users who want to create, buy, and sell NFTs. The Binance NFT Marketplace brings together artists, creators, and crypto enthusiasts to create and trade top NFTs. The platform features 3 product lines: Marketplace, Events, and Mystery Boxes. The Marketplace allows users to buy and sell NFTs from curated creators and other users. Event is a premium product line offering exclusive NFTs created by the most influential names and brands. Mystery Boxes are boxes that contains one random NFT. 4 different tiers of NFT from a mystery box are available: normal, rare, super rare, and super rare. Now let me demonstrate how to list your NFT on the Binance NFT Marketplace to make huge profits. First of all, you will need to create an NFT collection. You can create non-fungible tokens on the Binance NFT Marketplace easily. To mint an NFT, you need to complete identity verification first. In addition, you need to have at least 5 followers on your Binance NFT user profile. The next step is to create an NFT collection and get it approved. Make sure you have a sufficient BNB or ETH balance in your spot wallet to cover the fees. Click Create on the NFT Marketplace homepage and will be prompted to create a collection. Alternatively, go to User Center, Create It, and click Create New Collection. You'll be redirected to the Create a Collection page. Enter the details for your collection. Please note that if you choose not to provide a wallet address, you won't be able to claim ownership of your collection on the DeFi marketplaces. You can choose to bind a wallet to the collection. The smart contract owner can be changed after the collection is created, but you will be charged a small fee, which costs the same as the NFT withdrawal fee. To bind a wallet, paste the wallet address and click Add a Wallet. You'll be redirected to the Connect Wallet page. Choose the network of your wallet for BNB, Smart Chain, and Ethereum. Select the wallet to connect. Please note that you cannot change the name, symbol, category, network, and royalty fee after the collection is created. Next, read and agree to the rules and terms of service and click Create. Please wait patiently, as creating a collection requires the deployment of an independent smart contract. Once completed, you will receive an email. Now you can list and sell your actual NFT. To view and edit your collection, go to User Center, create it, go to the Binance NFT Marketplace homepage and click Create. Read and accept the terms and conditions. You will be redirected to the minting page. Enter the details of your NFT. First, enter the name. You may also add a brief description. After that, select the network. You can choose BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. Select a collection for this NFT. You can see all the NFT collection on the network you just selected, or create a new collection by clicking Add a new collection. Next, select the properties for your NFT. Click Add More to add up to 100 properties. Once the details are set, you will see an estimated minting fee. Click Create. Please wait patiently for Binance to review your NFT. Once the minting process is complete, you will see a pop-up with your NFT's contract addresses and token ID. You will also receive email and push notifications. Click List NFT to list it for sale. If you have any questions about the process on how to list and sell your NFTs on the Binance NFT Marketplace, make sure to comment your questions below in the YouTube comment section and they will get answered.
I'm going to take some questions from the people.
Also, if you want to learn how to find free and rare NFTs and how to flip them for thousands of dollars profit, there's a link below this video and you will be happy to do this very easy and fast. I created a free and full video tutorial about how I use the best Binance crypto trading bot in my opinion and based on my results. Just find the video on the left or right corner of this video and you will figure out how to use it on your own. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to find more videos like this one about how to make money with cryptocurrency and way more. Also, don't hesitate to share this video with your community to give them some value about how to list their NFTs on the Binance NFT Marketplace to make them some money and help them out with this topic. That's everything I have to say. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye bye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.